All of you guys, ito na naman ang update natin. Ayan, medyo may kaanuhan tayo today guys. Kaya kasi nakatali ang hair natin. So, ibig sabihin wala tayong ligo guys. Nag-half bath lang tayo today. Kasi feeling ko kasi kagabi guys na hindi talaga I don't have enough of sleep guys. That's why. Kaya I decided to not to take a bath, Charis. Nag-English na naman ang guys, ang babae. So anyway, just having my coffee guys. Ayan. Nag-ano na naman tayo guys. Ang update ko today. It's a turmeric and ginger guys with milk and with black coffee. Yun ang halo nito guys. So, hindi na ako mag-take ng mga any biscuits or tinapay kasi wala naman akong tinapay as of now guys. Pero may biscuit naman pag gustuhin. So, I feel hungry na kasi guys. So, I need to take my breakfast na guys, a rice. No? So, hahanapin pa rin ang rice is life talaga tayo guys. Diba? You know na. Kasi nagluto din ako ng ulam guys. So, I need talaga guys to eat na lang din. Kasi it's time for breakfast na guys. Gutom na. Yummy. So, mag-breakfast na din ako ngayon guys. Actually, mag-coffee lang muna ako. Kasi nagutom naman ako guys. So, I will take my breakfast rice guys. Proceed ako sa rice. Kasi, feeling ko guys, I feel hungry na. So, I need to, guys, kasi nagluto kasi ako ng ulam, guys. So, yun, sabi ko, mag-breakfast na ako. Hindi na ako magkain pa na any mga biscuits. Nag-update lang ako, guys, na just having a coffee at this moment. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. See you next. God bless. Bye, everyone. Keep safe. Mawis na ako sa init guys. Dito it feels good and fresh. So yun. Enjoy walking. Diba? Naramdaman ko nang tumutulo na ang kasingutan natin guys. So yun lang, update natin. Have a nice day everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe and God bless everyone. It's me again guys. I'm here na guys. Over here. So walking. Malapit na tayo dun sa guys. Ayun sa natin guys. So exercise talaga is the best. Pawis na tayo guys. So medyo may kainitan din ang panahon natin guys. Ayun. So yun lang. Keep safe everyone.